Hi, we are Gila Chen and Oscar Kershaw. We'll go through the significance of the Moorcock case related to the factors, judgment, legal issues and the legal principles. This case is about the conflict between the wharf owner and the owner of ships. The Moorcock, who was the ship owner, contracted with wharf owners for the space to unload his cargo. However, the ship got hit on the rock, because the tide went down.
In ship owners' perspective, the wharf is responsible to keep their ships safe while docked at their jetty. The ship owners argued it must have been an implied term of the contract that the riverbed was safe.
The wharf consider that they have no responsibility to ensure the vessel's safety, because there is no provision in the contract to keep the ship safe.
The ship owner, Moorcock, appealed to the Court of Appeal for this conflict. Finally, the ship owners were successful in their appeal.
The court judged that there was an implied term of the contract that the riverbed was safe. As they did not take reasonable action to ensure that the contracted space was safe, the wharf owners were deemed to have breached their contract.
In this case, the court implied the term failure to warn the ship owners would have been actionable and tort. This term was essential in protecting the ship owners, as it was necessary to give the contract business efficacy.
The definition of ratio decidendi is the legal proposition which is essential to the case. That means any case must stand as legal authority which is based on the moral, legal and social principles. Any decision-making from court should be reasonable to achieve the fairness of the judgment.
The legal principle concerning this case is that an implied warranty could be read into a contract for reasons of business efficacy and in order to maintain the intention of both parties. The implied warranty was that the riverbed should be safe, as the jetty could not be accessed.
The Moorcock case represented the significance of the duty of care for the consumers. So this case provided the doctrine of precedent to judge similar cases involving the shared characteristic.
Thank you for your
attention.
attention.